this video, we will show you how to customize WordPress login page. After customize, the WordPress login page is something look like this. You can change the WordPress default logo with your logo, and you can choose background also. In here, I prepare my logo, and then if you can see, this is the default of WordPress login page. Okay, you can login first. To start customize, you need to add plugin in here. Choose plugin and click add new. And here you can find the login press. This is, you can click install now. After that, you can click activate. After you activate, you can click the login press in here, and then first you can choose settings. If you need something or some change in here, you can click on this option. But to customize, you can just click the customizer in here. To start customize, you can using this login press, and then you can find logo in here. For example, the default is look like this. You can select your logo, you can upload. After you upload the files, you can just select like this, and then you can publish. You can also make a background in here. You can select the background that provided by plugin, or you can also select your background with your image itself. Then you can click publish after all done. Now you can try to log out and see the change of your login page will looks better than the default and professional, of course. That's all tutorial how to customize the WordPress login page. Hope this video helpful for you.